So Chat GPT is all the rage, and you may be wondering, how can I use this tool to write a script for my video? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you just how to do that. I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT to write a script for your mortgage or real estate video, and how to take that script and upload it into a teleprompter app like BigVu. Hi, my name is Ginger Bell. I'm the CEO and founder of Edumarketing, and I'm excited to share with you how you can use this wonderful tool of AI like ChatGPT. So let's get started. So let's dive into using ChatGPT to write a video script. So the first thing is to start at ChatGPT. And so the easiest way, if you haven't used it before, is go to Google, type in Chat GPT, and it will bring up a couple of options, Jasper. The other is OpenAI. So OpenAI.com is ChatGPT, just so you know. So you're going to click on that. There's a free version and there's a plus version. The free version is free. The plus version is $20 a month. So you can get started. You can just click on Try ChatGPT. Now it's going to take me to my login because I am already a Plus member. So I pay $20 a month and I can use all of the fancy expanded services. There is a big difference between the free version and the $20 a month for the Plus. And so you have the option. The model is the 3.5, the old 3.5, and then the GPT-4. I find the best results, honestly, is on the GPT 3.5. Now, I will tell you, the information that is loaded into the Chat GPT is not live. It's not Google. It's like going into the library where the library only has books from 2021 and before. So it doesn't have any current news. It doesn't have anything that's happened really since 2021. And so if you're looking for anything on current housing trends, this is not the place to go to ask it to write that. You want it to write a script. So let's say we're going to have it write a script on steps to buying your first home. Now, where it says send message is where we're going to write that. And it's a little confusing because you think you're sending it a message. What you really do is you're giving it very specific instructions. And it is great at following instructions if you tell it what you want it to do. So you can't just put in the housing market, how do you buy a house? It's not like Google. You have to be very specific. So I'm going to ask it to write a video script on how to buy your first house. And so we're going to go into message. We're going to tell it just that. And you hit enter. And now it's going to write. Now this, because we're doing a video, it's giving me some things to use for B-roll and shots and things like that. So, and it's doing voiceover. And it's still working. So pretty cool just to honestly sit here and watch it write. Okay, now it's done. So now let's go back and look at it. And a lot of times you have to tweak it. So it's got a title, How to Buy Your First Home, a step-by-step guide. And then it has an opening shot, which you're not going to use in your script. But if you are putting your video together yourself and not using a service like what we offer at Edumarketing, then this is an idea for that. And then they've got a voiceover. And so we wouldn't want that. So there's a little bit of cleanup we need to do on this, which is good. We are going to copy this. So we're going to highlight this down to here, Control C, and then we're going to go and we are going to open a Word document. And so we copied it. Now we're going to right click and we're going to click on paste. And then now you're going to go through and you're going to clean this up so you have a script. We don't need the opening shot. We're going to get rid of that. We don't need a voiceover. We know we're going to read this. We don't need this one. Okay, so now I've cleaned up the script a little bit. One of the things I'm going to add in here is it has, so I like the intro, buying your first home is an exciting milestone, but it can also be a daunting process. And then it says, in this video, we'll take you through. So I would put in your introduction. So hello, my name is, and put in your name with company And in this video, I'm going to take you through the steps you need to follow to make the process as smooth as possible. And so this goes through the steps. You can go through anything you want to change in here. You can do that. And then you've got your ending, which is buying your first home can be overwhelming, but with the right preparation and guidance, you can make it smooth and rewarding process. And then I like to put your call to action, which we want in here, a good call to action. If you are ready to get started buying your first home, call me first because I can help you get pre-approved so you can find out how much home you can buy. I'm your first step and happy to help. You can, and make sure you tell them, you can reach me at, and then whatever the contact information is, and the information below, whatever you have there. Okay, so now we have a script. We're happy with this script. I would recommend saving this script. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to copy this script that we've cleaned up, and we're going to go into our teleprompter app. And so we're going to close out of that. Couple of different apps you can use. You can use an app on your phone. BigVu is a great teleprompter app for your scripts. You can use it on your phone. You can use it on your desktop. And so I'm going to be using mine on my desktop because that's what I'm recording it on, but it works great on your phone too. So what you want to do is go in. I recommend doing this on your desktop just so you have it when you go to your phone, but you're going to open up BigVu. And that's BigVu.tv is where you're going to go. And you can find out about pricing. I'm not sure what all their pricing is. They've got, some free, has a watermark. I'd get rid of the watermark if I was you. It's like $19 a month. So now you're in for $40 a month to write scripts and to record them. So we're going to click on new script, and we're going to put the title in here. So buying your first home script. And then here's the script. So what we copied, we're just going to come over here, Control V, and there's our title. So we can move that over here if you want. And so we'll put that over here. And it looks like we need to format it a little bit. So you're going to go through, do what you need to as far as spacing and your formatting here. And then you'll be ready to go. So we're going to format it here. We've got our call to action. So you can space this out however you want. The idea is to make it to where it's easy to read. So we've got 364 words, and it tells us how long the duration is. So that's a 2-minute, 25-second video, which is great for YouTube, also for social media. So people do watch longer videos, and TikTok will actually go to a 10-minute video. And so then you can decide if you want to read and record it, if you want to read only, or if you want to live stream it. And so because I'm recording, usually it might let me do this. So let's see if we can read and record. So we're going to click on this, read and record. And now you can see there is my camera, and the script comes up right here. So you can see that. You can make it bigger. And then when you click on this button for record, it's going to give you a countdown. And now it's going to become a teleprompter. So you can start reading it. So here's our script, and we click on record, and then these buttons down here. So this will allow us to position it. So it'll tell us our scroll position, and can see where that is there. And that just tells where you are on the script. So if you want to jump ahead, you can jump ahead to the end of the script. That goes back and forth. This is your font size. So if you want it to be really big, then you can make it really big. And then this is your words per minute. So if you want it faster, then you're going to increase it. And it'll show you how fast that's going. And so depending on how fast you read, you can get an idea on what that is like. So play around with that and then hit record. It's going to give you a countdown. And then here's my camera here, but you're not going to see the words when you're recording. You're just going to see the camera. So the best idea is obviously to center yourself if you're recording from your computer to where your camera is right above, and then you can have this right below it and you can read that. And then if you want to go back, then you're going to hit the space bar to pause, and that'll pause it. And then you can resume, hit the space bar again. And then to stop it, hit stop. If you're happy with it, you're going to download it. If you're going to record again, hit record again. And so that's it. You can download it. It's going to download. It's going to convert it into an MP4, and all that is going to happen. Then you get into your video and your production and all that. So that is how you can use Chat GPT to write a script and how you can use BigVu to record a script. This is from your desktop. You can also record from your phone, which I'll do on another video at a later time. So that's how Chat GPT can write a script for you. And so just go back there, decide what you want to write a script on, write another script, clean it up, copy, paste it, put it into your BigVu, and record your video. If you don't want to write scripts with Chat GPT, we provide video scripts. And so if you go to edumarketing.com and you scroll down on the homepage to where you see our service plans, where it says our mortgage content toolbox, we provide you with video scripts.
We made it simple and affordable to start.
And presentations and PowerPoints and things like that. But we give you slides. We give you 4 video scripts as well as snackable videos every single month. And so what we do is give you scripts that are like this. So every month we give you 4 video scripts. We do a Mortgage 101 script. We do a purchase script, a product script, and a process script. And then we have all of our archive scripts as well. So if you don't want to write your own scripts with the Chat GPT, you can use our Edumarketing Toolbox. It's $99 a month. We give you new scripts every month. You have access to other scripts as well as a lot of other content. And all you do is just download the script. The script is written by a mortgage industry expert who knows the industry. And it's written in a way that you're going to just easily be able to use it. And so it begins with a hook. Imagine if you could live rent-free, build wealth at the same time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a home and rent it out to your friends. And it goes through your name, goes through the steps, and then it has your call to action. All you have to do is to take this script and put this into BigVu, just like what we did before. So we're going to go back and we're going to write a new script. And we're going to paste the script in here. There's our title. So we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to put our headline in here. And then we're going to do what we need as far as spaces in here. You can kind of see it's easier framed. It's written that way. And now we're good to go. So within just a few short clips, you can do that. And then we're going to click read and record. That's going to come up just like it did before. We're going to click on this. It's going to give us a countdown. And now we're going to read the script. That is how you can use either Chat GPT or Edumarketing Toolbox, and then combine it with BigVu to use a script to record your videos. Okay, that was it. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and go over to Chat GPT. You can find the link down below, and we have a link for the BigVu teleprompter app. And if you'd like to know more about our Edumarketing Toolbox, you can head on over to edumarketing.com and find it under our services. It's Edumarketing Toolbox. We give you scripts to use each and every month. And if there's anything we can do to help you to produce your videos or your podcasts, please reach out to us at edumarketing.com. This has been Ginger Bell. Thanks for tuning in. Now, go make a video.